Welcome back to NewsNation Rush Hour. I'm Nichole Berlie. Another sell-off on Wall Street today, leading to the fourth losing week in a row for the markets. The Dow, NASDAQ, and S&P all finishing in the red once again. Analysts say investors are still very concerned, obviously, about the war in Ukraine. Today's numbers, though, overshadowing a strong jobs report. And joining us now, Sylvan, a reporter with The Hill. So, Sylvan, tell us, what does today's jobs report show?
Nichole, the jobs report shows just how strong the economy had been up until this war in Ukraine started. The U.S. added 678,000 jobs. That's almost 300,000 more jobs than most economists expected. The jobless rate dropped down to 3.8%, which is just a hair above where we were before the pandemic hit the economy 2 years ago. And what stood out to me was how broad these job gains were across the economy. We saw 179,000 jobs in the leisure and hospitality sector alone, which has been the hardest by COVID. But we also saw more jobs in healthcare, more jobs in professional and business services, just broad, widespread job growth that showed a lot of workers coming back after months, if not years, left on the sidelines because of the pandemic. Now, you mentioned the stock market sold off today. Why is that the case? Well, even though the economy is really strong right now, investors are looking down the road at what could happen because of the war in Ukraine. There's a good chance that gas prices and energy prices broadly are going to continue to increase as we start to deal with these supply issues coming out of Russia and Ukraine. Food prices could also be going up. And when that happens, inflation starts to rise too. So some economists and investors are concerned that this might be the best things are for a little while.
Thank you for watching. Click the red subscribe button below so you can get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.